Now the Jamaican team put on a wonderful performance over in England, and trust me, we Jamaicans can definitely feel proud. Now let's go to the streets and find out how proud Jamaicans are about their favorite Olympic moment. Now all of the Jamaicans they might go to England for Olympics, but we have British people coming to Jamaica to celebrate the Olympics with us. Hello, what's your name?
My name's Sandra King.
All right, Sandra King, and what's your name?
Sonia.
All right, so here with Sandra and Sonia. Sonia, tell me your favorite moment in the Olympics so far.
Oh my God, when I was watching Bolt in the 100 meters was fantastic.
All right. All right, tell me yours.
I was so excited for the runners. I just couldn't believe that 3 of them all come in. I am so proud of them.
We are here with, what's your name?
Jacqueline Douglas.
All right, Miss Douglas, tell me how you feel about Jamaica performance so far in the Olympics.
I'm extremely proud of our Jamaicans.
All right, everybody proud, but no, no. All right, tell me what's your favorite moment?
Wow. There's so much. The 100 meters for women and the 4x1 for men.
My favorite moment was the pick of Weir. Weir was like the last one in the back, and he looked like he was swimming. Yeah. Kind of struggling to keep up with everybody, but nobody really expected him to actually make it as third because his first time in the Olympics, and he's the youngest sprinter.
All right, so we're in the streets right now with people, even them hairstyles say Olympics, because Jamaica say Olympics. All right. So tell me right now your favorite moment in the Olympics for Jamaica.
Shelley and Fraser.
Yeah.
Usain Bolt was a favorite most of all.
So you see it, a 2 favorite you have. What's your favorite moment?
The whole of them come, I can't do them though. Uncle time I can't take what I say from me a gunshot, I can't run. I can't do them though. So the whole of them, yeah.
Well, Usain Bolt, the man to the world, you and Blake, Warren, all of them is real. Asava Powell, big up the whole of them. All of them is our Jamaican league. To the world!
As you can see, the Olympics just finished and Jamaica celebrating 50. So the streets loud right now, But here, we can stretch from Jamaica and go over the Caribbean because it's all about time for the Caribbean buzz. Make here we go on over some other place right now. Caribbean buzz loud.
First off, we gotta say congrats and enough respect to our Caribbean athletes who did us proud in the just ended 2012 Olympic Games in London. Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, Grenada, Cuba and the Bahamas. Congrats to all the athletes from the Caribbean who represented well. Now, the Canoe Bay Beach Resort in Tobago will come alive on August 30 when a show billed as 50 Meets 50 is set to unfold. It will feature performances from Jamaican acts such as Taurus Riley, Sizzler and Baby Sham, as well as Michelle Montano HD, among others. Now, 20-year-old Periska Lang was recently crowned Miss Supranational Suriname 2012, held at the Toracana Hotel on August 12. Lang also won the special awards for Miss Photogenic, Best in Bikini. She will represent the South American country in the 2012 Miss Supranational Finals in Sopot, Poland on September 15. Shari De Castro was recently crowned Miss British Virgin Islands 2012. De Castro, who also won the awards of Miss Congeniality, People's Choice, Best Talent, Best Promotional Speech, Best Interview, Miss Intellect, and Miss Poised, will represent the BVI in the Miss Universe competition next year. Miss St. Kitts Trevisha Adams was crowned Miss Caribbean Culture Queen 2012. She also took the sectional prizes Best Ambassadorial Wear and Best Evening Wear. Miss Curacao and Miss St. Lucia finished second and third respectively. The Caribbean island of Montserrat is preparing to celebrate its 50th cultural festival, which will run from December 14 this year to January 1 next year. Dubbed the Montserrat Festival 50, this year will be a homecoming for many nationals now living around the world. And Antiguan soca artist Tian Winter recently won the Antigua Soca Monarch competition. That's the Caribbean Buzz for this week. I am Kevin Jackson.
All right, so now it's time for Video of the Week. So let's go to Dominica and check out Simply Summertime. Jamaica celebrating 50, but we're not the only one celebrating 50. Big up Trinidad, also celebrating 50. So everybody over Trinidad, here we are. Now it's time for fun and frolic. Just grab a rum cream and just know, so here we are. Independence, turn up loud.
Woke up this morning, feeling fine. Ain't got much money, but I don't mind. I'm on my way, I ain't gotta stress today, I'll be fine. Yeah, ain't got no work, so I'ma play. Call up my friends like it's a holiday. Yeah, we gon' do whatever we wanna do, we'll be fine. Yeah, ain't got no bills, so we gon' chill. Matter of fact, we'll put some meat up on the grill. On the pitch, with a couple freaks, we'll be fine. Summertime, summertime, summertime.
All right, so now it's time for a second commercial break. Just go on, chill, Pree Dis, credit. We'll soon come back.